Hello and welcome back to another episode of JoMash 101, where I will continue to give you some insights into JoMash's many features for embedding Qlik analytics, as well as creating Qlik mashups. Today's episode revolves around JoMash's expand and collapse feature for mashups. It generally allows you to show or hide additional details on charts. But, well, as always, without further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, back to our little demo mashup, which again stands only for one of many possible builds. However, now the expand and collapse feature right here comes in handy whenever you'd like to have data that you might need on the ready without it taking over your entire dashboard. But before I show you how the feature looks once it is implemented, I think it wise to show you how to implement it itself. To do so, we need to hit our little edit button on top of the page and enter edit mode. Once you are there, the possibilities are manifold. However, let's focus on what we came here for, which is our collapse feature. You will find that, as I've said before, on your left hand side right here in your widget catalog. Once you've found that, you just simply drag and drop it over to your dashboard and drop it into, well, the designated space where you want it to be in. Once the widget is in place, there's only one thing left to do. If you do not want the little niche that we just created to remain empty. Select your QlikSense charts menu on the left hand side and simply choose the charts, tables or KPIs you need. And once more, drag and drop them over to your mashup into the designated space. And well, once you've done that, you're all set pretty much. Now, all you need to do is exit the edit mode, potentially save your mashup if you're happy with it, and that is it. Now you and your users can expand the dashboard whenever they want to see additional details or hide objects such as complex charts when they are not needed or simply too much information for small displays. Just like this. Simple enough. Alright folks, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's little tutorial. If you want to learn more about JoMash, well, then hit the subscribe button and bell and you will get notified for whenever we upload our next video. Also, of course, check out our other JoMash videos. I will link one right here. And of course, you can also visit our website for more information, which is linked in the video description. If you have any questions regarding JoMash, you can write to us in the comments below or contact my colleague Marcus for a comprehensive free demo. You will find his info, by the way, in the video description as well. Thank you for watching and until next time.